Welcome, guys, to 3 Minute English. I'm Vince. Today, I'm going to talk about rather. I'm going to assume that you already know one of its uses, and that's the one that deals with preference. So we won't be going over that aspect of its meaning, but rather the other, more abstruse usage. The more abstruse one can be used to either indicate to a certain degree or extent, or to correct something. For example, the elephant was rather small for its age. And I'm going to the city, or rather downtown, to do some shopping. If you wanted to, you can take out rather and replace it with somewhat or relatively to express a certain degree or extent, and the meaning will stay the same. For example, the elephant was somewhat small for its age, or the elephant was relatively small for its age. Somewhat or relatively basically means that something is close to or not far from something else, like it's almost there. Now let's jump to the other meaning of rather, which is to correct something. You can replace it with technically speaking, or actually, to make a correction from something that was mistakenly said, and or you just want to be more specific. For example, I'm going to the city, or technically speaking, downtown to do some shopping. Or, I'm going to the city, or actually downtown to do some shopping. Technically speaking, or actually, is like saying more accurately, so you may use any of these to replace rather if you wish. I guess people prefer to use rather because it only contains 2 syllables and is shorter. Notice how rather for both of these uses, to a certain degree or extent, or to correct something, are used in a way to show that something is almost, or wanting to get within a certain distance of something. Anyways, I hope all of this makes sense. Do you think you can make a sentence with this type of rather now? Or rather the other one? If you still have questions, you know what to do. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time.